Mueller. I'm originally from the Philippines, but I am now working at the International School of Myanmar in Yangon, Myanmar. I chose to come here for my own professional development. I always wanted to know about special needs students. The thing I like about this class is that there were a variety of things that even included a field trip to a hospital where there were special needs students. Actually, it was an institute. So I really like doing that. I wish that there are classes that are more specific, just for dyslexia, for example, and I hope that there will be classes like that. So I have learned that to be a better special needs teacher, you have to be really, really patient, and you have to speak slower so that your students will understand you. Thank you.
If you like the video, please subscribe our channel. Press the bell icon to get the notification for a new video.